Hey, David, can you make a video about the differences between real estate sellers and business sellers? In a business, you could have very profitably operating business, and it could be producing a cash flow, which is worth more than the value of the stuff within the business, the tangible assets, the equipment, the inventory, the furniture, fixtures, etc. And this is what makes it different from real estate, because in the world of real estate, the cash flow determines the value of the building. There's other reasons though, too. When it comes to an apartment building or a commercial property being up for sale, the tenants may not be all that concerned, especially if it's a bigger property. These things change hands all the time. The tenants have a lease in place. Whatever deal they have for paying rent or whatever is cemented in that contract. And so if building changes hands, that's fine, but they're still going to pay the same amount of rent or what have you. When it comes to businesses, though, we've got many different stakeholder groups who have different relationships with that business. These are all the reasons why an NDA is required when someone is trying to sell a business, because if it gets out publicly that the business is for sale, the business can be damaged.